if I tell you just to read percentage, and what if I tell you you'll be able to score around at least 5 to 6 marks in most of the aptitude examination? Sounds like a magic, right? So yes, in aptitude examination, percentage plays a major role. It is an important topic for both your profit and loss. Starts with your percentage concept only. So percentage is a basic thing which you definitely have to know. So before going to the video, hi, I'm Harismita Rajkumar. So let's get into the video. Today we'll be seeing percentage formulas. So the important formulas which you should know. In the next video you'll be seeing sums related to salary. In this also you'll be having a few sums also related to the formula which we are solving, and salary, and most of the percentage questions will be based on salary. That will have a separate video. Then votes, then you'll be coming to know in the future. Okay, so let's quickly get into the video. So now percentage formula, one of the most important formula is X is what percentage, this I'm putting this simple, of Y. So your answer is, your formula is X by Y into 100. Okay, let me explain. You have X. You're supposed to find the percentage in Y. Okay, so I'll tell you the trick how to learn this formula, or they can also ask you what percentage of X is Y. Okay, so it will be Y by X into 100. Okay, now what percentage of Y, what percentage is Y of X is equal to Y by X into 100. So I have just seen the formula I have written here. So now these are the important formula. So now this is formula 1. So I know this will be confusing. So first thing is, you have X value. They ask the percentage of that in, I'm telling you, for example, 10 is my value. So what is the 10 in Y? That is what they are asking. Okay. And next, what percentage of X is Y? So you have X. You are supposed to find Y. Okay. What percentage in X you are having Y. So it will be confusing. Simply just remember, if you're having of, and next to that if you're having a variable, that will definitely come in the denominator. Look at here. You have of and the variable. Where does it come? In the denominator. Of and X. Where does it come? In the denominator. Remaining, you're supposed to put in numerator. Remaining, the other term only will be having. You're supposed to put in numerator. And they're asking you the percentage. So into 100. So are you clear? Of and some variable. Don't think of anything else. Divide. Then put that a variable that is next to of. The remaining variable you're supposed to put in bottom. In top and into 100. That is your thing. This is formula 1. Formula 2. So formula 2 is basically X is what percentage more or less than Y. Okay. So here this is X minus Y by Y into 100. So this is the formula. Okay. So here, how do you remember it? I'm asking the X. What percentage it is less or more? Less or more, they can give you exceed or decrease. That also they can give you of Y. So if you're having a less than or more than or increase or decrease, next to that if you're having a variable, that will be in the denominator. So basically this is nothing but, I'm having a value X. You are supposed to find that value is less than or more than when compared to Y. Okay. So if you're having less than or more than terminology, and next to that if you're having a variable, that will be in the denominator, and remaining formula is X minus Y. Okay. Suppose your answer for this is negative, which means you can say that much your X is less than your Y. Suppose if it is, your answer for this is positive, you can say that that much X percentage is more in Y. Okay, now let's quickly get into the video. So here 75 percentage of the 75 percentage of 25 students are good in mathematics. 72 percentage are good in mathematics. How many students are bad in mathematics? So basically bad in mathematics is 28 percentage, right? So 28 divided by 100 into 25. That if you find, so ones are, fours are, and basically this is 7. So when you do, your answer for this will be 7. Okay, so here I told you off means you should put that, right? But here what are they giving? They gave the percentage. They asked to find. So if they gave the percentage, the regular formula, so 72 by 100 into 25 gives you good. So bad means what you're supposed to do? You are supposed to write 28 by 100 into 25 gives you bad. So I hope you understood this question. Now let's see what is the price. What is the wheat price? Sorry, the price of wheat is reduced by 4%. So you have a price, it is reduced by 4%. How many less than or more than of wheat can now be bought for a money which is sufficient to buy 45 kg? So what is the question? So here basically the price is reduced. So you have a price which is 100. Example, the price is reduced by 4%. So you are taking it minus 4, you are having. So let us assume the original percentage. Every time the original percentage will be assuming it as 100%. Okay, 100% per kg or rupees original price of wheat. Original price of wheat will be rupees 100 per kg. Okay, so they asked us to buy 48 kgs, right? So to buy 48 kgs, what are you supposed to do? So for 48 kgs, you need rupees 4,800. Okay, this we know, but the price is reduced, right? Reduced price, you will have the reduced price as 100 minus 4, which I'm assuming it as 96. I'm assuming 100%, and reduced 4% is nothing but 96. Now what is happening is, after the price decrease, what is the, how many kgs I can buy for the same rupees? Okay, how many if the price is reduced, how many kgs I can buy? Okay, so after price reduction, so the price is now reduced. So originally I'll be having 4,800 for buying 48 kgs. So if I do, I can buy for 96 rupees. If I want to purchase for this amount, I can buy 50 kgs. So first I had 48 kgs. Now after reduction, I'm having 50 kgs. So basically it is plus 2 kgs more. So basically my answer is 2 kgs more. Okay. Now let's go to the another one. So the total population of a town is 5,500. I have just zoomed it now. So the total population is 5,500, and the number of males and females are increased by 10%. So after increasing, the resulting population is this. Now they asked us to find number of population men. Okay, so let us assume that initial population, let us assume it as 5,500. Okay, final population, it is 6,000. Okay, so now male 5% increase, female 10% increase. Now let us say number of male, let us keep as X. So this is original. Okay, from this. So number of female will be 5,500 minus X. I hope you understood. Okay, now what is the question? you have to find number of men. So basically, total final population will be equal to males plus female. So your final population is nothing but 6,000, right? So 6,000 will be equal to, so I have to find. So 5% men has increased. So it is 105 by 100 because I'm assuming 100 as the original price. So 105 by 100 into x plus female 10%. So 110, 10% is increased. So 110 by 100 into 5500 minus x. So when I substitute everything, quadratic equation in solving, I'll be getting x as 1000. So what did I assume my x? My x is male here. So number of male will be 1000. Okay, so those who want, so the formula related, these are little more tougher sums. So the formula related sums is coming right now, where x is 60% more than y. What is the percentage of x? So comment below if you find the answer for it. Otherwise, I'll do a part 2 video related to it, related to this subject. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Bye.